Soaring temperatures across the Balkans fueled wildfires in Kosovo and Albania. In Kosovo's Dubrava area near Istog, a blaze broke out, burning around 200 hectares but causing no injuries. Officials said that firefighters prevented the fire from reaching the nearby Dubrava jail, the country's largest prison, as well as houses and a military base. Last month, a severe heat wave hit Western Europe, causing deaths, forest fires and health alerts. Globally, 2024 is on track to be the worst year on record, with temperatures surpassing 1.5 Celsius above pre-industrial levels for the first time. Soaring temperatures from the third heat wave of the summer swept across the Balkans, forcing workers to pause outdoor tasks and tourists to seek shade. Known for sunny beaches and affordable travel, the region has long experienced hot, dry summers, but climate change has intensified heat waves along with floods and wildfires. Tourists adapted by limiting activities to cooler morning hours and staying in the shade. Outdoor workers, such as archaeologists in North Macedonia, restricted work to early mornings due to dangerous heat and UV radiation. Alexandria is now battling a growing crisis as rising sea levels and coastal erosion threaten its historic buildings. The Mediterranean's warming waters are causing the coastline to recede by an average of 3.5 meters a year, undermining foundations and causing around 40 buildings to collapse annually, up sharply from just a decade ago. Experts warn the crisis is a stark example of climate change immediate effects as the city's population swells and the risks to homes and infrastructure grow. Giant panda twins Yuki and Ui marked their third birthday at the Chengdu Zoo in southwestern China with special feasts prepared by zookeepers. Yuki enjoyed a birthday cake made of fresh bamboo shoots and fruits, complete with a pumpkin crown, and is surrounded by ice to keep cool. Meanwhile, Ui, currently resting due to an eye treatment, celebrated with a special fruit cake and fruit skewers. Born in 2022, the twins were named through an online campaign and continue to delight visitors with their playful charm and growing popularity. Once extinct in Denmark, the white stork is making a hopeful comeback with 33 nestlings born this year, the highest count since the 1980s. According to conservation group Storks Denmark, the revival follows decades of absence after habitat loss and agricultural expansion decimated the population. Warmer European winters and targeted conservation efforts are aiding the birds' return, with many now wintering in Spain instead of Africa. Conservationists hope the stork, once a symbol of good luck in Danish folklore, may again become a familiar sight. Scottish Partnership is tackling poor rural connectivity with portable 5G networks to enable advanced robotics in farming, promising precise, efficient crop management even in single dead spots. Farmers face rising costs, labor shortages, and environmental pressures, making robotic automation attractive for tasks like targeted pesticide use and crop monitoring. As global food demand rises, these technologies could transform farming, offering detailed real-time data and early detection of crop threats. The project partners include the James Hutland Institute, Scotland 5G Centre, Boston Dynamics, and Freshwave.
One thing as well that's really exciting about this to look like, what features we want to add.